when I leave you, you'll not only know how to fight, you'll be able to take care of yourself outside the ring too. Is that okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Now I got a little gift for you. No, wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Look at that. See that? This is the favorite thing that I have on this earth. And Rocky Marciano, give me that. You know what it was? His cufflink. Huh? And now I'm giving it to you. And it's got to be like an angel on your shoulder, see? And if you ever get hurt and you feel that you're going down, this little angel is going to whisper in your ear. He's going to say, "Get up, you son of a bitch!" Because Mickey loves you. Okay?
Thanks, Mick.
All right.
Love you too.
Go after him, kid. You see yourself doing right, and you do right. That's pretty, that's very pretty. Time! Ah, come here, Rock. My God, you're ready, ain't you? That Apollo won't know what hit him. You're gonna roll over him like a bulldozer. Get up, you son of a bitch! Rising up, back on the...
Rising up, back. Let's see. Let's go. $8:19. Give me a couple seconds. Take my coat off. Oh shit, gotta make my coffee. I'm back. I got my coffee. Whew. Ah, man, that's good. That was good. 15 minutes. Bulldog Buchanan. It's a good call last night. Good calls. Great plays. It was fun. It was fun. It was fun, 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 fun. Where we at now? Where we at now? That a baby. That a baby. Get some legs. Brr. Good morning. Good morning. Man. Coffee needs some more something to it. But I don't know. I know it's fucking cold. Hi. I put a little bit of milk in it. It just isn't tasting. Tasting a little stronger than normal. Maybe I put a little too much sauce in her. You know what I mean? Put a little too much sauce in her, maybe. Oh man, I feel weird. I feel like I'm. Right, it'll work though. It's drinkable. Ah, damn. Like I got sunshine on a cloudy day. Oh. Whew. Maybe I need more sugar in it. I don't want to make it too sugary. I feel a lot better today. I gotta go pick my kid up today from school. I'm excited about that. Excited about that. Up 4 minutes till market opens. Pre-market 105.99. Whoa. 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 105.99. I'd be surprised if we don't come test the 105. A lot of it. Oh man. everything. It's gonna be a rough day. Rough day. Rough life. Rough time. Rough day, rough day. Alright, let's see what we're at. Let's see what we're working with here. Let's see what we're working with. Rough, 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 rough. Scruff, McGruff, rough. You know what I mean? Scruff, McGruff, rough. It's not any type of rough. Scruff, McGruff, rough. Oh, I would be surprised if it didn't come back down, testing 97.27, which would be the top baseline of the downward parallel channel that we just had a breakout of, which that would then be called the mean, the median, whatever you would like to call it. And then hopefully we have a bounce off there, and if we don't fucking pre-mark open and just go, but get rid of this one now. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna keep it there. Staying above the 104.09 is really needed. You tested at 382. You need to come back down, bounce. You could be looking up for movements today. 120, 121, possibly, maybe, all the way ranging back down to the 104 to 97. If we break up past the 120, 121, then you could possibly look at measure movements up to like 160, something like that. So in them numbers, but we don't talk about that until we get there. Step by step, brick by brick, day by day. This is what we do. It's not always about the big picture. It's about what's happening here and now too. LRC. Well, LRC. What time was that? 15. Yeah. Touch the median line. Hopefully it's a bounce. And hopefully we break out of the bigger downward trend that we've been in. And hopefully we can get a measure move. I'm still saying something about like that. Did pretty decent DA on LRC. Let's see. Let's check the doggy out. Snoop Dogg and Dog. Can't get better than that. Come back down, test. Yeah, that's 0.5 to 382, maybe. I hope it don't. Hopefully we just get above the 236 here, the old 236 on a retracement, which would probably be the 0.5 bounce. Yeah, this would be the 0.5 bounce that we would need. If not, be looking to come back down to 236 for a retest of the 14. What's up? What's up, Brady? Or even possibly... No, fuck this. This thing's going back to test up top. But, yeah, whatever. Be looking to test 1458. Doesn't test, succeed. Be looking to come back down 1418. Don't want to see it below 1418. Be going back down yonders. Don't want to go down yonders. Bag holding 113. Price point LRC right meow. Right meow. Right meow meow meow. Right meow meow meow. Right meow meow meow. Right meow meow meow. I'm just gonna say right meow 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 meow. Let's just put it this way. If it gets up over... You need it to pass its prior high. We need it to pass its prior high, but it's kind of looking like, you know, it's wanting to keep a close eye. You don't want it to really... See, we bounce off the 382. We need to get back above that 236. Would be the 107.43. If you don't get back above the 107.43, you're probably coming back down to the 92.51. In which reality, I have a target down here by the golden pocket, which would be 85.84. So you don't want to see it dropping below the 236 or the 382. Really, I mean, it's okay. It's not a killer, but that's still. Drew this zone in last night. It said we want to get out of that zone, and we know we came right back into this zone, jumped right back out of it, came right back in it. Yeah, so that's a little something on that end. Yeah, definitely wouldn't want to see this thing going below 99 again. Possibility of it. If it doesn't, we shoot, we go, be looking up to the top of trend line 129. If it makes it there, it's just. Yeah, that's just what you're looking for. Kind of wish we'd had some more momentum with the LRC when it came up here and spiked and touched the top of the channel, but wish we'd had some more momentum with touches up here instead of falling right back down. But kind of makes me wonder if we're not going to come back and touch the median line on the, you know what I mean? Good, Brady. That's good. Just gotta beat it in your head, man. That's all I do. Check Luna out. I ain't checked Luna out in a minute. Luna's still down here flirting with the bottom of the... Oh, fuck. Ugh. Say. right, Luna. You're looking like you're ready to turn back around, huh? Turn around. Everybody loves Luna, so it needs to turn around. Testing that 113 at the 5925. Don't want to go below that. But bullish divergence big time on the lows on Luna's 4 hours. Luna's 4 hours of bullish. Bullet. Not bully. Convergent. Bully. Convergent. Bully. Let's see what we can do with this. Hey, get rid of some of the stuff. Come touch. 77. That would probably be the 618. Probably. What up, Randall? 2 seconds. Stay above the 61. 29 will be all right. You'll be very, very fine. If not, you're gonna get socked to me one more time, and then you're gonna get low. You know what I mean? You remember that song? That's what's gonna happen. Randall, it's good to see you in here again, brother. It's always a pleasure to say welcome to the Mod Squad, because I've seen you in here a couple times. You ask a couple good questions, and you know what? I like you, Randall. Welcome to the Mod Squad. Let's see. NMR. Is this, I'm assuming that you're looking at Nomura Holdings Inc. Is this what, or is it a crypto? NMR USDT? Or is it NMR USDT crypto? Oh, it's probably the crypto. Okay. I'm assuming it's this. Just to let you know that, like, you don't want it to come back testing. I mean, it could come back down here and test at 22 easily. That's the 200. That's just right off the simple eye spot. You know what I mean? It's definitely going to come down here. What's this? Is that will that be a golden pocket retracement? The trend is going up. Be right there. We're at 382. Most times you don't see the bounce off the 382, so I'm not going to be surprised if this doesn't fall down to the 0.5, the 26.75. You'd want to see either a little bit of consolidation at the 26.75 if it does come down here, and you'd want to see it bounce from here. If not, you'd be looking for other areas for it to go down to. So really, honestly, I don't, like I said, we'll put a red line here. And this is all like on your risk and on your reward, or whatever you want to call it, you know what I mean? Because you're down from 19 to 28, you know what I'm saying? New Marina, that's it. It's not, okay. It's not this one, huh? NMR. Nomura. Or is it this? Am I on the right one? Okay, I'm on the right one. So yeah, if you're looking, if it did come back down and test the 50, it'd be 26.75. Wouldn't really want to see it go too much lower than that. Let's check out, let's see what we got going. See what we got going. See what we got going. Just flashes up top. Nothing really. I don't know what I just did. That was weird. I should be wearing it. Okay, okay. I figured it was this one since I seen a spike in it. It's really crazy. Just drop back down all the way to here. Past there. Made a... Check the daily, see what's going on with the daily. Dropped in the bearish control zone. Well, you see what we're doing here. You see what we're doing here? I'm gonna paint it for you. I'm gonna paint this picture for you. It's because you're in one and you're trying to go with another, and you're not even breaking out of this trend yet. So I'm just gonna paint this picture for you here, and leave this one to you. Alright. That would be it. This would be it right here. I definitely wouldn't want to see it under 26. 26.75. Just depends, you know what I mean? It's not my, you know what I mean? It's not my thing to say what's enough and what's not enough. It's to you to say what's enough for you, you know? Is it enough right now? I mean, it's a pretty good move. It's a pretty good move. I mean, what are we talking about? Like, even if it's 43% right now from the bottom of before even the hike. So, you know what I mean? I don't know where it was, even if you did right here, consolidating on a old flash. Check out the 200 and then let's check the EMAs out. Uh, 200 pass, crossed it. It's kind of blah. Your ADX is up. Your DMI's positive's up. Your DMI neg is down. Yeah, man, 26.75. I looked and 24.92, like 24.43, like right in this area. No, honestly, I wouldn't want to see it. But that's but that's like, you know what I mean, that's 14% from where you're at, and even to like to 26, it's at 7%. Oh, really? Sold an Ethereum token. You say to make predictions and to stake your token in different market predictions. Okay. Yeah, Randall. I mean, like, you'd want this thing to have continuation. You want this thing to drop down. Honestly, since it's already pulled past the 236, you'd want to see it come to point 0.5. The 382 is not really a point of. I think Jamie said it once. He said the 382 is not really like a point of like support and resistance. It's kind of like a traffic director. It kind of tells it which way to go. It doesn't like. It's like, hey, you're going this way, you're going that way. So it's a good thing to think about when you're sitting there looking at your fibs. Your 382 is like kind of like your traffic. It's like traffic control. That's how I look at it. It's kind of like this, Randall. Kind of like this play here. It's like from our highs to our lows. This is the 0.5 retrace. This is kind of what you'd like to see. 0.5 retrace. You'd like to see it come back over the 236, make it back above the 236 while we make a cross on the 200, and bing bam, probably, hopefully, for like 15 cents, somewhere around there, maybe. I don't know. If this crosses and keeps continuation, this could be nice. That's kind of like what what you're kind of wanting to see in your scenario is what happened here. So this is like perfect. Like this is what you want to see. If it does, like you're consolidating, it drops back down to the 0.5, and then you want to see immediate resurgence coming back up. If it does that. You know what I mean? There's always a chance that it doesn't catch and hold on the 0.5, and if that's the case, you'll see it start underlining underneath the 0.5 resistance, the Fibonacci, like most of the time. Like, look, came into the 382, tested the 382, fell right back down in 5. Came into the 382, we passed through the 382 this time, and Kim tested the other 0.5. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Okay. so damn strong. Bing bong, bing bong. The bricks are so damn strong. Bing bong, bing bong. Bing bong, bing bong. You looking to come test this? Bing bong. All right. We're live. We're live. 8:53. The Spy. The Spy. Is the market scared yet? The market don't look like it's that scared. Bunch of tough talk, eh? Oh man. 103.98. Okay, what we open up at? Open at 105.54. Come retest on 102.20. Come on down, test through 102.20. Make a higher low, get your butt back up there. Got Jimmer. What you got, Jimmer? Oh man. That sucks.
Well, the long and the short of it all is they put their own backs against the wall. Never thought they'd get caught with all those stocks they still ain't bought. They didn't count on us. You can even ask Papa Musk.
Fucking higher high too. All this all the way back to here. Oh, just degenerates. Big boys don't lie. Going up to you and I. Take down Wall Street beds. Stop. Oh, yeah. AMC.
They tried to take down Wall Street bets. They tried to claim we're all just degenerates. 'Cause the big boys don't like little guys
like you and I fly to the moon. We'll be there soon. I doubt it. Anything else anybody want to look at? Like I'm just doing nothing here. Feel like I'm doing nothing. Near far HT's big piece of shit. HG's a big piece of shit. Stupid ass black hot bullshit again. Fucking hell, man. Let me forget in there. Oh man, that's crazy. That's the TA I did the other day on it. Well, we can spot that one. I made it to 261A. That's nice. That's a beauty. I got it coming down to the 4236 at the 199 for some reason. Maybe just the 555. Okay, for I could exit, man. I'm just gonna. What is going on? Let me look at. Okay. Trading view don't want me fucking looking at you. You're fucking lagging me out like I'm. Me too. Or is that? No, maybe that was. Man, I don't know why I got this 199 spot, but hold on. Oh, the brains up just holding by. I know why I have it. I know I have it marked. 86, 886, 886, 886, 886, 886, 886. 172. Let's make sure that's on the money. That would be on money. That's on money. You need to get above the 324, man. You need to be above 324. You don't want to drop back below the 786 because you're going 225. If you go 225, man, you're going down the 113. Let's see what we're looking like. DI minus is up. ADX is up. Go 15 minutes. Not looking the best. Smaller time frame. Smaller time frame. You're at the 618. Hold that 618 off. It'll be all right. But if not, you're coming down 275, 266, so on and so on. You know. 3202 on the short time frame is your target. If you can get over 3202, you can get moving. If not, you're yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but look at that sneaky guy in there. I didn't even see him down there. Brady. Man, you're kind of hoping like hell it moves, but if it doesn't, you know. That's all I can say. The clouds indicate they'd be until Monday, but after that, it's clear skies. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, LRC 125 today. LRC. But yeah, that's what I have on that, man. That's about as good as I can give you. Just don't want to see it below certain levels that I explained. LRC is not $107. That's GME. I got LRC to like 127 if it breaks out. If it breaks out, Randall. That's if it breaks out. We're in this like I put this in here last night. Like I said, I was drawing this. That's like it's gonna come back down here. Whatever you break out to is gonna come back, and whatever it decides to do, question mark, whether we come back out and we go up, or we fall below the mean, the median, whatever you want to call it, and we go down. Because there is still a flash down here. I do believe around 88 cents, and that's not that's not out of the question because it just brings us back down to the mean line of our old trend. We wouldn't have broke the old trend yet. We did a fake out of the old trend, came back down, fell down. So like more than likely, I want to say it'd be we could get up there, but like I wouldn't want to see it drop any lower than 99. Let's put it that way. I mean, honestly, I don't want to see it drop lower than 103. Like, I don't want to see 103 to all that. But then again, like, this is that consolidation area. Like, we're making up our mind which way the hell we want to go. So yeah, that's what you got on LRC. We have to get above the 236 here at the 107.43. It looks like we've touched it twice, basically. Not really. Let me see if the fibs are lined up perfect. Good enough. Close enough. But yeah, we want to see it over the 107.43, man. If it doesn't, if it goes back below the 3, yeah, you get what I mean. So it's like, you know what? I really want it to break out this time. I really do. But I'd rather see it go get that stupid I mean, let me make sure I'm even saying that, if that's the right, like, if that is even one, before I even start. Yeah. I knew I wasn't talking out my ass. Okay. Yeah, probably going down. Everything else is probably going to do the same thing. Let's check it out. Let's check Bitcoin out. Everybody, okay with that? Yeah. So that would be my analysis on LRC. Likely coming back here, test the bottom of the your parallel channel. Like in this area, maybe quicker than that actually. But yeah, like. All right. Jimmer, what you doing, Jimmer? Oh, well, you know. Well, you know, you know you want to go down there and touch it. Just a tip. Hey, Brady, if you're still in here, if everybody's still in here, I have to go get my kid from school at 10:30 today, so do not let me forget to get my with TA. My son wanted me to come pick him up from school today, so I'm gonna go pick him up. I'm excited. He got accepted into kindergarten, so super stoked about that. They sent us a thing saying he's doing great. He's ready to go. First half hour. What time zone are you? I'm the same time zone as you, Brady. Central. Central, brother. I'm gonna turn my coffee warmer on real quick. I'll be right back. Oh man, being out of chew sucks. Type in chat just in case I don't hear you. Oh no, I'm gonna cut the stream about 10:15. 1 hour from now. Or if Rocky comes on, I'm cutting it when he gets on. But because I don't stream over other streamers really, and it sucks when when all us little guy streams. But I usually tell everybody go watch you when you stream. That I'm gonna be longer than you are. So everybody go watch him. Everybody go watch him. Don't stay here. Go watch him. I'm just staring at a chart. What do you want to do that for? Ooh. Hey. So am I. Mm-hmm. Oh man, I need a chew so bad. Sucks. This sucks. On you, it should have been me. Oh, just watch it. So am I. It could have been me. How about them volatile price movements, yeah? Huh? What about that, YOLOers? Oh shit, Rocky's live. I didn't get a notification? This is horse shit. Sorry guys, Rocky's live. Go watch him. Don't stay here. That's loud. It's stupid. You have to watch like 5 hours worth of fucking.
The volatility that we're seeing is actually operating within the range of the previous candles all the time. So we're not actually even on this most recent of volatility.
This is the guy you guys want to watch. You don't want to be serious. If you're watching me, you're watching the wrong guy. You need to be watching this guy right here.
So much so, because, and this is the point I'm making about unable to take out the highs. So much so, here we go. There's a high. Here's the low in here. And this volatility in this period of time has been so shit that actually it's just seen the strength of trend dropping off overall here, and going in towards chop territory. So in terms of, is it what we're looking for? No, it's not. It would be much better to have seen this thing actually go towards the top side, so that we could have perhaps maybe got these to have crossed and stayed crossed. So the volatility that we're looking for would have been for this to have crossed and stayed crossed and moved up towards the top.
You know me, I don't like streaming over top of streamers, so I love you all. It was a great morning. Enjoy it with the man himself. You know what?
That we're looking for, right?
Copy.
We're looking for. It just isn't. It isn't. Okay, so just to clear that one up, I'm glad I helped everybody with that. Now, this is actually already, in my opinion, constitutes a really great episode now that I've actually done that already. But we'll continue with the show, of course, right? You had me at Tamil Shantar, said Lady Ghost of Kim. Right, I'm not going to be the best at doing this. Okay, if you want to see somebody who's really good at doing it, then I can recommend the likes of Karen Dunbar, who's a Scottish comedian, female, very funny lady, and has a really great acting range, and gets it, and is very much into her Scots language. Now, if you don't want to hear hers one, you're looking for another Scottish guy doing it, or person. You've got the guy Tam Cowan, who is a presenter on BBC Scotland's radio programme Off the Ball, which is a Scottish football banter show, and he does a great Tamil Shantar as well. There's folk out there who grew up performing it at schools and stuff like that, or and I kind of just fell between two stools on that front and didn't get